Here we are down at Pro Audio in Gillette, Wyoming. We got us a Vortec cover for the engine that we went ahead and based out in the red from his truck's paint code. We're going to go ahead and dip that through our classic Hades skull pattern. Looks pretty nice. Should be pretty happy with that.